a short summary recap video of the Improvers Solo Salsa Routine number 7. Now this routine was a slightly longer routine. We took 4 weeks to learn this routine as part of our Improvers Level 3 and Level 4 review class in the summer school in 2020. So if you were looking at this, it would have been the classes taught over the July period in 2020, and it was Improvers Level 3 and Level 4 review. So we'd already covered the content in previous months and we were having a bit of an 8-week catch up, and as part of that we added on a few bars to this routine every single week for 4 weeks. So I'm going to face the front. Hopefully you were in the class with me and you've learnt it all already. This is just your short recap. If you weren't, don't worry. If you're looking in the other playlists, have a look for Improvers Level 3 and Level 4 review, and it was the 8-week course over the summer period of July and August 2020. You should be able to find that in the search bar. Let me look at the front so you can copy from behind. We had basic, bar number 1. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. We then had a little opening out to the side. 1 and 3, 5 and 7. Like we were cradling the baby and then throwing the baby. Yes, not that I would ever throw a baby, but it's that idea of having the cradle and then throwing. Okay, next bar. Bar number 3. Little body roll to the left corner. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to the corner. 1, 2. Make sure you step back on the ball of the foot for 3. Look to the right corner and run. 5, 6, 7. That's bar number 3. Bar number 4. 2 taps, mambo taps in this corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skate and skate. And I was kind of moving back because we were learning in the living room. These were small living room routines. We didn't want to go too far. Okay, so let's start that again. We're going 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Next section, looking to the right hand side. We started with the first part of a spiral. Susie Q kick, kicking on 4. Put it down on 5, but just on the ball of the foot, not full weight. It's just a tiny bit, and then jump out on 6. Jump cross with the right foot in front, 7. Half a turn for 8. And you need to make sure the weight was on the right foot, slightly on the back, because we wanted to head off with the left foot towards my sofa on the next bar. So this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the weight's on the right foot. Pony steps 1, 2, 3. Left, right, left. Right side, lunge to the front. Prep the left foot. 3/4 spin. Tap out the right foot at the end. Okay. From here, large Cuban breaks into the corner. 1, 3, 5, 7. Spot turn, left and right to face the back. Prepping the left foot for a ronde. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our next set of 4 bars. Let me repeat those 4 again. So this is bars 4 to 8, facing the right corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 3 bars coming up. I've just finished the ronde with that right foot here. Little bunny taps forwards and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a little tap. Staggered lunge forwards on the left. 5, 6, 7. Tiny twist in for preparation, and I'm going to turn 1, 2, 3, 4. Land on 4. Back sailor 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Kickball change. Another prep and spin. Now in the class I gave everyone the option to do a single or a double spin because everyone's working at slightly different paces. If you're getting a little bit more comfortable with your single spins, push yourself to try and do that double spin if you can. So you'll have your kick, ball, change, turn, 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 land. Okay? Optional to land with the foot out at the end, up to you. From the top, whole thing. 5, 6, 7, and 1. And 5. 1. And 5. And 1. And 5. And 1. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 3, and 5, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Land. There we go. Just a short demonstration. If you're looking for lots of content, 90-minute classes they were. We had done 4 weeks of 90-minute Improver level 3 and level 4, but it was more focused on the level 3, and then the level 4 was coming in the second half of that 8-week course. Okay, have a look for that on the other playlist. I'll see you in the next video.